Hey there! Today we're diving into a common problem that many of US may encounter with failing HDDs. The issue at hand is that during a data recovery process using the DD command, the read speed of the failing drive keeps decreasing over time, even when there are no read errors for bad blocks. It's a puzzling situation that we'll explore further. In the solution provided, it's crucial to understand that the reported speed values are actually averages of the total bytes transferred over the total elapsed time. So, when you see numbers like 4.9 MBs or 1.1 MBs, they reflect an overall throughput rate and not real-time data transfer speeds. These values can be deceptive if misinterpreted as actual transfer rates. Analyzing the specific example of 3657.146, 3680 bytes copied in 7522.87s for 0.9 MBs, we calculated that the average speed was around 4.86 ms based on cumulative values. Similarly, in the case of 211374232064 bytes copied in 190344s, 1.1 MBs, the calculated average speed was about 1.11 ms. These figures highlight how read errors and retries can impact the overall throughput of the data recovery process. Now, looking at the next part of the solution, it's evident that the decreasing read speed is directly influenced by the occurrence of read retries and potential bad blocks. The frequency of read errors plays a significant role in determining the overall throughput rate during the DD operation. As more read errors occur, the average speed decreases, reflecting the challenges posed by failing sectors on the HDD. Continuing with the provided solution, a key insight is gained by understanding that the absence of read errors does not necessarily mean that all sectors are healthy. Even when no errors are reported, the read operation may still encounter issues that impact the speed of data transfer. Correctable errors in retries contribute to the extended operational time and reduced throughput, underscoring the complexity of data recovery from a failing drive. Finally, after delving into the intricacies of failing HDDs and data recovery processes, it's essential to approach such situations with caution and a deeper understanding of the underlying issues. Remember to always monitor the read error statistics and seek smaller transfers to assess drive health accurately. And with that, we wrap up our discussion. If you found this video insightful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share your thoughts in the comment section below. Stay tech savvy, folks.